Have you ever wondered about how to gain a higher consciousness or awareness through meditation? Have you ever wondered how indigenous people got the idea of constellations and stars and things of such? Well, in this short speech, I will be giving a speech about psychedelics and how you can achieve so through meditation and my own personal experience on how I achieved a better mental state and I am more aware and more conscious of things in my environment, things that I've been through and seen on trips or meditations through psychedelics. I will start off by saying psychedelics came about in the 50s. They were around longer than that, but American scientists really started testing around then. LSD was made by Albert Hoffman. Albert Hoffman was a scientist who created the chemical out of a fungus which is called the erot fungi. The erot fungi is a fungi as mushrooms is also. Albert Hoffman was testing the chemical in his lab when he accidentally rubbed his eye. And when he rubbed his eye, he started to begin to feel effects from the LSD, which he explained as a very beautiful feeling. And he said it's a feeling that he feels everybody should experience once in life. So, through experiencing that, he decided to go home, which he used to ride his bike every day to work to do his job. So, he rode his bike home and he explained it being the most beautiful bike ride he's ever experienced in his life. So, the backstory on that, Albert Hoffman was the scientist who created LSD. Now, from my own and personal experiences, me and my significant other, we have what's called a meditation night. During meditation night, we plan it out very sacredly, and maybe in 6 to 8 week intervals. We'll plan for it and we'll have a whole day off for it. And it's a great experience. You experience colorfulness. Your ears change. The sounds are different. Everything sounds different, looks different, is moving differently. Your environment, you feel one with your world. You just want to walk freely through the grass with no shoes or socks on. Your mind opens up and you think about things you've never thought before in your life, things that you didn't even think you could think of. You're touching parts of your brain. And through studies of CAT scans that scientists have done with people on psychedelics, they also say that the normal human only uses a certain percentage of their brain. But when you're on psychedelics, you're using your whole brain. Your whole brain is active. So you're tapping into parts of your brain that you never even have touched before, or that people even thought may have not been possible to tap into. And that's what they say is the pineal gland. When you take a spiritual trip, they say you're tapping into your pineal gland, which allows you to further in your meditation. Me personally, I've astral projected through my meditation, which is when you spiritually leave your body to other places. But other than that, last but not least, I really feel like psychedelics is something somebody should try. Everybody should try at least once in life. And I feel like it'd be a great experience for everybody. It helps mentally, it'll help you physically, and it'll help you align yourself so that way you feel better as a person. Thank you.